Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you here. So today I'm doing a very beautiful head wrap, and it's very simple. Trust me, it's very simple. Even for beginners, you can actually do this. All you just have to do is just follow what I'm doing on the screen and you are good to go. And as you watch this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. I also have other videos up on my channel, simple head wraps that you can actually try out. Church head wraps, party head wraps. Just feel free to check any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next one.